A good nighttime skincare routine is the perfect way to ensure that your skin regenerates and repairs itself while you snooze. And with that, I welcome you back to the Chosen Store's YouTube channel. Now today we are going to talk about the ultimate nighttime skincare routine. And without any further ado, let's begin with step 1. Step 1 is cleansing. Start by removing your day's makeup and grime. It is important that we use a separate makeup remover to remove any cosmetics or sunscreen from the face, since cleansers are not necessarily designed to remove or dissolve makeup. Follow it up with a gentle cleanser which is non-drying and also suitable for your skin type. It is important that we do not use any face washes with harsh chemicals